So hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Divine Grace Corcio. I'm entrepreneur and coach of Filipino virtual assistants. So today I will going to show to you how to use tactical arbitrage, where you are can help you, to get datas, how where we can get deals using this tool. So we are here in product research. Okay, so let's set up first, this product search dashboard. Okay, so in set kake is we will leave it live only. So and then if you want, the UPC sites and products only. So but for me, I will just leave it X, and then also check UPC products for image matches. So we want that so we can see the UPC and the picture are matched. Okay, so actually we can put it also this. Okay, so like this, you can see it difference, but like what I said, I didn't put this, and I just want to make sure the UPC products will be the same or matches for the image. So sourcing from, so you can choose here if you are doing research in US or UK, Canada, Germany, India, Spain, France, or Italy. And then, so for now, I'm going to do a research in USA. So if you are selling in the US, so of course you will use .com, .co.uk, .ca, .te, .in, .es, .fr, .it, and .com.mx. Okay, so again, I'm in US, so I will use .com. So website, so you will search here. Okay, so what store you want to do a research. So actually I want to try this one. So you can see here there are a lot of websites here. Okay, so I want to try this. So bye baby.com. So if we will check this, this website, okay, like this. So this is the actual store that you can see here. They have same day delivery, and the shipping fee is $4.99. And then they also have rewards here. So this is more for babies. Okay, so you can see strollers, stock stuffer, what else? Cute and cozy outfits. Okay, so you can see here, yeah, a lot of items. So this is the one that I want to try. Okay. Okay, so now you already have it here. What you're going to do is select category. So of course for FBA, Amazon FBA, so we are always think about the size, because remember, if you do online arbitrage and send it to Amazon, you're going to ship it. So Amazon will going to ask you what will be the weight, what will be the size. So that's why it is important, because the weight and the size is matter, because it will charge you how much it will, the weight and the size of your item. So that's why we will just choose items that are maybe like less than 2 pounds. Okay, so we can go here in bath and diaper, bedding and decor, because the 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 beddings are not that heavy. Car seat is heavy. Clearance, let's check this. Clothing also and accessories, these are not heavy. Furnitures, of course, this is heavy. Gear and travel, gifts and more, maybe we can have this. Health and safety, we can check this also. Maternity, new arrivals, we can check this also. Nursing, feeding, We can check that. Personalized, no, because of course, this is personalized. So it means someone will gonna buy and they will put whatever they want to put it in that gift, like name or words or phrases that they want to put it there. So stroller is heavy, and then we can go with this toys and learning. So you can see here now, we have like 485 categories selected. So this is good. So we will just add to bulk. Okay. So you can see here, we already have it here. Okay. So yeah, so in current, we will not yet put anything there because we haven't saved this one. So use filter. So we don't have anything there also. So we can save this, okay? Uh, so like for example, we want to put this in the name. Okay, so bye bye baby. Okay, so we know that this is the bye bye baby, and then the date. Okay, and then save. Okay, so we already have it there. Okay, so we have it there now. Here, use easy bulk. So for example, you want to do another research for this, you will just choose it here. Okay, and then filter products. So here we can have this remove. So for example, you want to remove ranks over. So for example, like over 30 days or average 90. So we can put it 90 days. And then if you want to remove estimated sales is less than. So for example, you don't want to have like uh, sales that is 5 sales. Okay. So of course, we want something that is have a more sales, okay? So remove if the number of sellers is less than. Um, so right now, we will not put this because we want to know also our competitors. So how much they are selling, or stocks per month. So that's why we will not put anything here. So remove if the number of competitive FBA seller is more than. So again, I will not put anything here because I want to know what is the my competitors doing or their activity. Okay, so remove third-party sellers from results. So we can do that because we are in FBA. But like what I said, I want also to see my competitors also. So remove oversized products. Yes, we can put that. Remove if Amazon contains no weight or size data. So you can put that there also. Remove Amazon also seller and now in stock. Okay, so we don't need to do that also because we want also to see how far or how Amazon activity, if they have stock or no. So we want to see that also. So remove if number of reviews is less than. So for example, like less than 3 reviews. Okay, so remove if rating is lower than. So the rating, for example, lower than 100. Okay, so remove products with a source price of less than. So for example, you don't want to, for example, like 15. And then here more than like 50. Okay, so for example, that is your budget. Okay, so remove products with Amazon price less than same thing, 15, and more than like for example 100. Okay. And then remove products if Amazon title contains words. So for example, you have keywords that you want to, specific keywords here. Remove products contained with the brand. So if you have brands that you are restricted or ungated, And remove product if Amazon buyback is not is like like the price also, so you will put it there. So cost fees, okay? So cost to prep per standard, so we don't need that because we are the one who going to set up the shipping for FBA. So cost per prep oversized, so we already removed that, so we don't need to put it this one. Cost create bundle, we're not also doing bundle. And cost per pound, approximately. So yeah, so we put $1 here. So profit and ROI. So this is important. So only keep data gross profit at least. So for example, at least you have like $2 profit, or um, like 50%. Okay, so like that. And then so you have also others here. So also shows no match found. So yes, show only no match found result. Okay, also show Amazon out of stock result. Yes, we can put that. Show only out of stock result, so we don't going to put that. Also show reverse result. Yes, and then title and site. Yes, we will open that. And then so we will put also again the name, bye bye baby. The date is 11/12, that, and then save. Okay, so you can see here we have like 17 filters applied. Okay, and then click search. Okay, so you can see here it's already search in progress. So we will just wait like 24 hours um, to check, to complete until the research will be complete. Okay, so I hope this product, using product research using tactical arbitrage will help you, just to share how to use tactical arbitrage using product search. So, okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope this will help you to make it more easier for you to do or to use tactical arbitrage tool. If you still not subscribe in my channel, please consider to subscribe and click the bell notification so you will be notified every time I have videos, new videos about e-commerce like Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, and everything about e-commerce. So again, thank you for watching and God bless. Are you a seller looking for a virtual assistant? Email me at divinecorcio@gmail.com. Or are you the one who wants to be a virtual assistant? Email me at divine@filipinovirtualassistants.com. Thank you for watching.